I work in Borg Warner as an engineering test technician. I work in the reliability and test department. We test parts that are designed by the research development department, and we test in climate chambers, benchtop testing and wind tunnel. I decided to take a course on Springboard in Mechatronics because I had spent most of my life working in the air mechanics. I wanted to get into the field of electronics, and Mechatronics was the best path for me to get there. Taking the Springboard course in Mechatronics was a huge benefit to my career. This year, I was promoted to an engineering test technician role, and that just would not have happened without having gained a qualification in Mechatronics. What I liked about the Mechatronics course was that it gave me an opportunity to learn things properly. I had been learning a lot from the engineers I worked with, but it wasn't terribly structured. The Mechatronics course gave me an opportunity to ask questions to lecturers, to understand better what I was doing, and basically enjoy my job more. I would definitely recommend Springboard to anybody else in my industry. Firstly, it gives you a nationally recognised qualification, and secondly, it gives you a chance to advance yourself in your own career. When I was younger, I was always fascinated with a program called Tomorrow's World. So many years later, here I am, and I find myself working at the cutting edge of technology, and I'm actually loving it.